No, I kind of like designing a big room with the traditional wood racks simply because there's so many things I can do and I can be, I can make things completely different from one cellar to the rest. However, there's some really, really cool metal racks that have the new designs that have come out too. And those are making a huge difference in design in the metal racking. Some of them are coming out now, the new gold colors. Those are
Hmm.
very cool. And combining golds and blacks and a gunmetal gray,
Ooh.
all kinds of really, really pretty metal racking that's brand new. So there's so many different things. It's hard to find a favorite because the next day somebody will come out with something else, and then that's really cool.
Yeah. Well, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of
Yeah,
sense to be able, and since you've got your finger on the pulse of all the new stuff coming out and what the new options are, that I imagine that would be a lot of fun to be able to take a room and you're of course you work with what the client wants to be, but be able to
correct.
say, let me add some artistic flair and give you some suggestions, and here's maybe something you haven't thought of. I bet that would be a lot of fun.
Or I can send them pictures of a lot of the new kinds of racking, and they can
Hmm.
say, "Oh, I kind of like this," or "I don't like this one at all," or and that way we can move towards something they like, and we can design it using the style of racks that they prefer.
Yeah, yeah, I would imagine finding out what they do like and what they don't like is equally helpful.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Awesome.
Our vendors do our drawings for us.
Hmm.
And if it's wood racking, you're going to get a really extensive 3D drawing most of the time, depending upon, again, your choices. On our metal racking, it's depends again upon the vendor. Some are 3D designs, some are 2D designs, but we're going to get you a design most of the time. We do have one vendor that does not do a design unless you pay for it, but we'll tell you that up front. And usually you don't need a design on that particular one.
Okay.
But, you know, the, we draw it out, we tell them what we need, and then the CAD team makes it look pretty.
Excellent. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so it sounds like the first step is just for people to get you on the phone and start talking, whether they've got a couple of pictures or whether they've got a whole concept in mind. The first step is just to get you to get you involved and get that design rolling.
Absolutely. Give us your dimensions. Tell us what's on the other sides of the walls, the floor, and the ceiling. Tell us what size of door you want, and shoot us over some pictures of things you like, and we can take it
Awesome.
from there.
That's an easy enough way to get going.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah.